awesome space to relax. Just sitting on this hump of wood, this tree log, enjoying the sound of the ocean. Bonjour, mesdames et messieurs. It is 8:50 in the morning. I just had breakfast, which was mainly a croissant, a baguette, and some marmalade. Yeah, I will now clean up my room, pack everything again, and head over to, how's it called again? Can't remember the name. Portiragnes or something like that, which is south of Béziers, about 50 or 30 kilometers from there. It is on the beach. Yeah, weather right now is kind of bad. It is raining. My bike is wet. Can't see I'm looking forward to the ride. Yeah, so I will now just pack up, put on some warmer clothes than yesterday, and also some latex gloves for my originally waterproof gloves, so I don't get wet hands, which was quite annoying. Yeah, I will prepare the bike now. Oh yeah, by the way, the ride is something like 380 kilometers, which should take me 6 hours, and weather forecast says, yep, it's mainly rain all the time. Yeah, but tomorrow it should get better, so I'm looking forward to that. Yeah, so I just started. It's 9:47 right now. Just need to figure out a way out of here, because everything basically is a one-way street. Also, the navigation system is having some trouble in here. I'm not sure if either my 12-volt outlet died or my USB adapter, but my phone wasn't charging anymore, neither was my power bank. Luckily I have a power bank, so I can use that one to charge my phone for navigation. Still slightly concerning, but just slightly. So another break, did like 90 kilometers now. Yeah, my 12-volt USB charger definitely died. So, could also be the connection, I don't know. Well, I have the power bank left. Well, let's continue. Oh, the view! It is beautiful! Look at it! Hope you can hear me, because my mic kind of moves. Should still be inside the helmet, so I guess I'm fine. Yeah, streets are dry. I drove like 130 kilometers and I have 230 left. Yeah, the street is fun as well. Put my camera bag, which I used to carry on my back, hence the name, on the back of my motorcycle, because first of all I'm not thirsty at all, I'm still wet, and second of all it's kind of heavy and annoying. Put some tension on my shoulders, so now I'm tension free, can enjoy this road. Ooh. So you take a look on my map, down there it should be fun. Likey. Again, shitey weather, but just 4.4 kilometers left. And yeah, these funny roads. Holy shit, is dead here. Completely out of season, I guess. If this ever had a season. So, Hotel Le Mirandor, that's it. I arrived at, yeah, I forgot the name, I will display it down below. Got into my ugly sweatpants. Actually, I didn't got into them, I always had them on because of the weather. And yeah, this is my view. I wish this wasn't raining. But yeah. I'm satisfied. It's 5 o'clock or something like that. The owner let me park in his backyard, which is right behind the hotel. He kindly asked me, which I really like. Yeah, the parking spots in front of the hotel would be blocked tomorrow because there's a market or something. So yeah, interesting. I will now chill down or relax a bit and then probably try to discover the town a little bit. So I'm off to do a little exploring. So far this town seems kinda dead. So I guess it is out of season after all. So I bought myself something to drink. Basically just 2 Red Bull, because water I have plenty of. And some sweets. Because, yeah, I'm a sucker for sweets. And also I didn't eat much on the way. I kinda need something which gives me energy. Yeah, let's see if we can discover the beach a bit. So, beach, here we come. I will not go in there before you even dare to ask. Yep, looks beachy. But to be honest, I kinda don't want to walk in there. Still have enough sand in my shoes from the last time. Just looks like home, like the Nordseeküste, the Northern Sea. It's just more water and probably also cleaner. Yeah, I think I will head back to the hotel. You know what? Suck it. I will walk the beach. Awesome space to relax, just sitting on this hub of wood, this tree log. Enjoying the sound of the ocean. Yeah, over there's a guy fishing. Hope he catches something. I don't want to move. Yeah, it's now 21 o'clock. I had something to eat. Basically just a pizza, nothing else. This town is obviously built for Spanish tourists because no one here speaks English. Yeah, so the restaurant I tried to get into was completely booked out, so there was not even a table for one free. Yeah, so pizza it was. Yeah, I will now enjoy the view, head into my bed later on, probably watch some Netflix before, and cut the video and yeah, upload it. So tomorrow the goal is no idea. I have to figure that out tonight. Yeah, Also, it's getting a bit chilly, so I probably head back inside. So, bye.